It's the 1928-29 NHL season. The league plays a 44-game schedule, and your starting goaltender shuts out the opposition in exactly half of those games. Not half-ish, not roughly half, exactly half. That was George Hainsworth of the Montreal Canadiens, and it is to this day the single-season shutout record in NHL history. 22 shutouts, never broken, never matched. Hainsworth's goals against average that season, 0.92. Still, the all-time NHL record. He allowed just 43 total goals all season long. In the 22 games, he didn't shut out the opponent. Who was Hainsworth? Most hockey fans, even devoted Habs fans, couldn't tell you. He didn't play with flash. He was, by his own admission, one of the most boring goalies you'd ever watch. He once said, and this quote is almost unbelievably humble, "I'm sorry I can't put on a show like some of the other goaltenders. I can't look excited, because I'm not. I can't dive on easy shots and make them look hard. I guess all I can do is stop pucks." Hainsworth was born in 1893 in Toronto, grew up in Kitchener, Ontario, and didn't make his NHL debut until he was 33 years old, joining the Canadiens in 1926 to replace a true legend, Georges Vézina, who had died of tuberculosis the same year. The Canadiens were so shattered by Vézina's death that they donated a trophy in his name for the league's top goaltender. Hainsworth then proceeded to win that trophy 3 consecutive times, 1927, 1928, and 1929. His 1928-29 season was so dominant that the NHL actually responded by changing the rules. Because of Hainsworth and the league-wide suffocation of offense, the average team was scoring roughly 1.45 goals per game. The league introduced forward passing in the offensive zone the very next season. The offside rule followed shortly after. During that season, the Canadiens finished with a record of 22 wins, 7 losses, and 15 ties. Hainsworth had 22 shutouts. That means if he let in even a single goal, Montreal didn't win. Every single Canadiens victory that season was a Hainsworth shutout. Every single one. He backstopped the Canadiens to back-to-back Stanley Cups in 1930 and 1931. Captained the team during the 1932-33 season. One of only 8 goalies in NHL history to wear the captain's C. And when he retired, his 246 career wins were the most in NHL history at the time. He was posthumously inducted into the Hockey Hall of Fame in 1961. He passed away in 1950, killed in a car accident at the age of 57. He is 3rd all-time in NHL shutouts with 94, behind only Brodeur and Sawchuk, from just 465 games played.